Jamaica hosted its second International Federation of Equestrian FEI World Challenge Category C Derby at the Caymanas Polo and Equestrian Center recently in St. Catherine. Now the event, which was postponed in November due to the passage of Hurricane Melissa, is a development competition for eventing, which is a combination of dressage, show jumping and cross-country.
Isabel Simandan aboard Amigo emerged the overall winner.
I'm pretty satisfied. I think I could have gone a little bit quicker in the cross country, but overall I think it was really good. I plan to go overseas in September as I'm going to university, but I plan to still compete for the next couple of months, so I'm looking forward to training and competing with my horse.
Pony Club coach Paolo Picarillo with his mount Fierce and Fabulous ended second.
I'm very happy because the horses, they did very well. They did very well job, so it means that the care that we give the horses is a good care. I am very proud about the first, because the first is Isabel, that is my rider, is my student. So it means that my recipe for coaching is a good recipe.
And third place overall went to Sydney Matalan, who was aboard Rolo.
I was very happy with our performance today. We did have a rail, unfortunately, just from going too fast and I guess having too much fun. She's an excellent ride, and overall the day was just exceptional. It was one to witness.
Prior to the event, there was training, horse inspection and course adjustments over a 2-day period. Jamaican Olympian Samantha Albert was the trainer on day one.
Today we did a jump training, and that consisted of doing show jumps and cross-country jumps on the polo field to get the horses in a rhythm, get the riders confident with their horses and what we have to look forward to.
However, on day two, things were a bit different.
We had dressage training, and that was more to ride through the dressage test so I could give the riders tips for their test, because I couldn't coach them before the dressage because I was actually the second judge in the competition. So I gave them a program for their warm-up and how to prepare themselves for their dressage test.
The FEI came up with a development program of a derby to help lift the standard of competition in developing countries to that of their first world counterparts. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.